Hello and welcome to Friday's Assembly. It's our celebration assembly, and what a celebration we have for today, because not only are we celebrating the successes of the week, we're celebrating the success of the first half term of the school year. And I am really proud, as always, of our school community and how hard everyone has worked to get the school year off to a good start. Now, it's time for us to give out all these awards, and of course, we're starting with Going for Gold. Going for Gold. We first have Leads class, and in Leads class, we have Jake for much improved behavior and trying hard to control himself. In your class, we have Harrison for persevering and balancing on the planks in the outdoor learning. We also have Bailey for super cutting skills when cutting out a face to go on a pumpkin. In Hall class, we have Daisy for counting the pneumacons so well. She did some great work there. And then we have Eliza for excellent home learning and a fabulous picture of Samuel Pepys. In Nottingham, we have Lacey for persevering in maths when working with tens and ones. We also have Katie for her amazing recall with facts about the Great Fire of London. In Liverpool, we have George for super great picture of the Great Fire of London. We also have Kyle for his super blending and segmenting of words. In Cardiff class, we have Eric for his fantastic writing in English and for working hard in all of his lessons. He is a fantastic role model for our school. The second award goes to all of Cardiff class, and both Miss Hawk and Miss Clayton have given the class the exact same award because they have played so well at lunchtime on Tuesday. They listened to each other, they shared ideas, they made up games, they talked, they raced, they showed fab cooperation and friendship. Well done to everyone in Cardiff class. In Edinburgh 1, we have Bailey for working hard in class and making sure work is well presented. We also have Nicola for helping to clean up the art equipment. In Edinburgh 2, we have Riley. Riley receives this for his hard-working attitude towards his learning. We're so proud of you. In Edinburgh 2, we also have Alan for always making good choices. In Cambridge class, we have Layla for using her initiative and completing extra work when she has finished set task. We also have Lottie for always doing the right thing. In Oxford class, we have Artur for working accurately and consistently in maths when exploring the order of operation. Oscar also receives an award for taking excellent class notes in RE this week. In Lincoln class, we have Billy for positive behavior and attitude towards his learning. In Chester, we have James because he had a fab day on Wednesday. He had a full green wheel. He gave himself a target to work towards to achieve, and he achieved it. Well done. Well, what an amazing week we've had, children, with lots of persevering, lots of working hard, and lots of good choices and being good role models. I'm very proud of all of you. Let's give them a big round of applause. Now we have the Year of Being Brave Awards. First, we have Leads class. In Lee's class, we have Declan for disciplined bravery, for remaining focused and trying hard to master using a pair of scissors. In York class, we have Archie for being brave and carrying on when he had fallen and bumped his head. In Hall class, we have Samuel for intellectual bravery, for listening to what the day will hold and being more resilient as each week goes by. We also have Casper in Hall class for his disciplined bravery, for trying so hard with his number recognition. In Nottingham, we have Jacob and Jay for disciplined bravery through remaining focused on a set task. Skylar has shown intellectual bravery by understanding that she can do a task when faced with tricky challenges. In Liverpool class, we have Lexi for empathetic bravery, for being so thoughtful and caring to her friends in the class. We also have Freya for intellectual bravery, for always giving 100% effort in all learning tasks. In Cardiff class, we have Lacey for intellectual bravery. She's really pushing herself in English to write interesting sentences above what is asked of her. Gracie also receives this award for intellectual bravery as she is developing her resilience and working hard in lessons and at home to learn her spellings. In Edinburgh 1, we have Madison for showing disciplined bravery and practicing her spellings and working hard to try and improve them. We also have Tilly for showing empathetic bravery towards others in class. Edinburgh 2, we have Jessica for disciplined bravery. She tried her best to improve her handwriting even when she found it difficult to begin with. We also have Addison for his intellectual bravery. He struggled to understand a new method in maths, but persevered and felt more confident at the end of the lesson. In Cambridge class, we have Clayton for showing empathetic bravery and being a good friend to the new members of their class. In Oxford class, we have Rosemary Ann for empathetic bravery for the second week. Wow, Rosemary Ann, for taking the time to be a friend to a new member of the class. We also have Benjamin for moral bravery when reminding a classmate of the class rules and being a good role model in following safety rules. In Lincoln class, we have Ethan for his transition to full-time attendance. And in Chester class, we have Alex for his intellectual bravery. He has worked really hard in English and maths, and he has really improved what he's been doing. Well done. Excellent work by everyone. Lots of bravery shown this week, as we've shown all this half term. I'm very proud of all of you. Let's give them a big round of applause. So, this is the Friday before October half term, and you have a week holiday. This might be a little bit different than what holidays you've had before, because we still got to follow the safety rules that we have in place. But I want you to remember to make good choices, listen to the adults who are caring for you, and have a really good break. You deserve it. Have a good one. Bye.